Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am doing a hard gel infill. I've already filed off my client's previous design, I've prepped her nails, pushed back the cuticles, and I've just run over them with Urban Nails Magic Prep, and I am now using their Ultra Bond Primer. And then I'm going to apply their hard gel base coat to all of the nails and pop that into the lamp for 60 seconds. So using Urban Nails Pink hard gel, which is a really transparent pink, but it's just nice just to do a basic infill with. Starting at the cuticle area, and I am going to be blending that down towards that free edge. As I am just doing an infill, the bulk of my product is going to be in the back third of the nail. And then once I've done this, I am going to turn my client's hand upside down for a couple of seconds just to help pull that product to the centre of the nail, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm just going to repeat that on the thumb. So I've already filed these nails and gone in with Rebecca Abernathy's No Wipe Top Gloss, and then we are going to be doing a Galaxy inspired set, but that is going to be all out of chrome, so something a little different. So I'm using a range of different chromes today. So the blue and the green is Urban Nails, and then I've got some Galaxy flakes there from Brillbird, and some pink and lilac chrome from Nail Sugar, and then I've also got a gold chrome that will be going onto these as well, which is also from Brillbird. So there are those flakes. So I'm just applying little bits at a time, and then I'm really blending them together so all those colours kind of seamlessly start blending together. I didn't want it too harsh or heavy, so that's why we've gone in straight over the natural colour of the nail. You could do this over a white or a black, and then it would be a lot more prominent, but I wanted them colours to really blend together. So that's Nail Sugar's Lilac that I'm just popping on in there, and then I will go in with the gold chrome, and this is the Brillbird gold chrome, and then I'm just going to use that applicator brush to really rub it all in together. And then once I've done that, I'm going to dust off that nail, and I am going to apply a base coat, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to be using a range of Nail Sugar's pigments. Now I don't remember the names of these, but they are all available on their website. But I'm using a neon pink, a neon blue, a white, and a neon orange, just like a tangerine colour. I'm just tapping on really small amounts into that base coat, and then I'm going to run over it with my finger, and I'm just going to start removing a little bit of excess. I just wanted it to have a little bit more depth and to have almost a little bit of matte running through all that chrome to break it up a little bit, and I think it really worked at the end once you see it all top coated. It did really work, and I was so glad that we decided to add on those pigments. Once I've done all of that, I'm going to use Semilax Design Gel in white just to create a few little dots for stars on those, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to be top coating these with Rebecca Abernathy's No Wipe Top Gloss, and just look at them colours come through. Oh, I just loved these. They were so pretty. And then once I've done that, I'm popping that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm finishing this set with a little bit of cuticle oil. And I just hope you loved them as much as I did, and my client was so happy. Something a little different, but so much fun. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.